In the white fur trunks is Coco Puff dog, defending champion. In the tiger stripe trunks is Destiny Diva Kitty, the upstart challenger. As you can see, Destiny likes going for Coco's paws, and she's fairly gentle in dealing with Destiny. Coco gives her a few shots with the new left paw, and then Destiny tries to duck and under those shots. Destiny is picking up the attacks on Coco's paws. Coco is dodging and weaving, trying to disrupt those attacks. Coco appears to be tiring from the attacks, and this battle has just begun.
Destiny loves you, Coco. That's it, Coco. Get her. These two played all day long, except when they were sleeping and eating. Destiny just turned 6 weeks old. Coco is 11 years old.
Coco Puff dog likes to use her size advantage and stay above Destiny. Destiny appears to be clinging to that long hair on Coco's face. Ooh, there's a left and right by Destiny. Coco fights back with her patented headbutt. Destiny is getting in some really hard kicks with her back paws and legs, but they seem to not have much effect on Coco dog. The fighters, cats versus dog, pull back for a second to size up each other. Coco is moving in for the kill shot to tickle Destiny's exposed tummy. Who will win out in this championship fight between Coco Puff and Destiny Diva Kitty? Check out the next amazing round.